0.25 method. 2 feet back, 5 foot up, at our normal height. Can you see it? Is it there? It's not an issue. Don't make it an issue. Don't allow it to be an issue. Now, if you got a floor that's covered, you may have to make some adjustments, but you have a ground to stand on. What we want to do is we want to get this corrected so that we can move on with our job. We see it. Preferably we get this done before any finish is put on there. So right now we have just a raw stain. We're going to use the tools that I got in our toolbox right now. This is a real job site, right? So what we do is it's quite simple. We're just taking your scraper, going with it, bringing it back down. And each time as you're doing it, and I'll hit the lighter grains because it's going to show in the darker side. Okay? You just kind of. Now, what happens if we go right here and stop right there?
You know the line.
The line. So we just keep going with that grain.
Touch it with time.
So something like this, you can get a paycheck. A little darker in this little area, and lighten it up. When you look across, you don't see a drip.